Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Maintaining a balanced and healthy diet is crucial for individuals managing diabetes. Crafting satisfying and diabetes-friendly dinner recipes doesn't have to be complicated. We've curated dinner recipes that are not only delicious, but also designed to help keep blood sugar levels in check. These recipes combine wholesome ingredients and flavorful spices to create meals that everyone can enjoy, whether they have diabetes or not. Vegetable and lentil curry. Ingredients: assorted vegetables, example, spinach, bell peppers, cauliflower, carrots, cooked lentils, canned or pre-cooked, onion and garlic. Curry spices: turmeric, cumin, coriander. Low sodium vegetable broth, coconut milk. Light, chopped cilantro. For garnish, brown rice or quinoa. Instructions: sauté onion and garlic in a pot until translucent. Add curry spices and toast for a minute. Add assorted vegetables and cooked lentils. Pour in low sodium vegetable broth and coconut milk. Simmer until the vegetables are tender and the flavors meld. Serve the vegetable and lentil curry over brown rice or quinoa. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Are you tired of struggling with high or low blood sugar levels? Our comprehensive guide offers proven natural methods to help you take control of your diabetes. Say goodbye to constant worries and hello to a healthier life. Click the link below in the video description to access our valuable insights and start your journey towards better health today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy cooking!